preview of Navratri collection by only two brands at Thurs Gallery today and tomorrow. Collection में તમને exclusive range of चनिया चोली મળવાની છે. If you want something in 9 to 5 silver jewelry, तो एना options છે, that too in fusion. And if you want something like in bandage, georgette, તો દુપટ્ટાના भी બહુ જ બધા options છે. So do visit and collection જોવા માટે swipe left.
At Thurs today, we are displaying a very beautiful bandage collection, which is pure Raidana bandage with hand embroideries. So this is like a beautiful gaji piece.
So nice.
With khat work. This is a georgette bandage dupatta, which has got beautiful motifs and hand embroidered tassels. This is a cotton garchola with again aritari work. Then here we come to our Navratri collection, which is got exclusive silk ghagra with a very vibrant and unique touch of khat work tikki, gaji and georgette dupatta. We've again got beautiful Kutchi embroidery with a touch of hand embroidery in fat and mirror. The ghagras are all over 10 meters of ghair. This is a beautiful combination in which we have got mirror embroidery and a beautiful dupatta in georgette. This has got a touch of mirror work. The blouse is in Kutchi with mirror and a dupatta in Kota Doria.
ચામ્સ છે, ચામથી કડું બનાવેલું છે. આ ઘૂંઘરૂવાળા કડા છે, એન્ટિક પીસીસ છે. So we have lot of varieties in silver kadas also. These are routine neck pieces. જે તમે કુર્તાસ પર, સારીસ પર, you can just wear it. બધા pieces બહુ unique છે. This is like we are created from kada. So we redesign the old pieces also like this. If you see આનું કામ બી it's very intricate કામ છે. These are regular routine earrings. These are statement earrings. Amaru Buck collection, which is very famous. Again, fusion ma options che. The one I'm wearing also is fusion ma ek option che. Hi, this is Prachi Shah from Prachi Shah Pure Chic Silver. Baddu pure silvers che. We are at Thurs Gallery today. And baddu hallmark sathe avse. If you see, this silver with fusion work on it. Silver with 18 karat gold polished છે, real gold નો લુક અલાઇક છે. પાછળ બી કુંદન છે, આગળ બી છે, જેવી રીતે રિયલ ગોલ્ડનું હોય છે એવી જ રીતે કામ કરેલું છે. This is again fusion. If you see this choker તમે સાડીઝમાં, નવરાત્રીમાં, it will look really good. This is fusion earrings. एक एक मोटिव जो છે it's very different from the routine ones. This is Bali. Again આ પીકોકનું છે કામ. This is again parrot. A real diamond look like on silver, sir. It will stay like this forever.
Okay, so this is a wide range of chinon bandage Raidana dupatta, exclusively curated for Navratri. These are all beautiful colors that go very well with Navratri. These are all cotton gharchola dupatta. Then we have a wide range of gaji dupatta, gaji bandhej. These are all gaji bandhej dupatta. And then we have all Banarsi bandhej dupatta. This is a range which has been kept on offers, so which goes up to from 15% to up to 25% of discount on selected dupattas, selected blouses and selected ghagras around here.
This is again on sale, right?
Yes. Very selective pieces. Pure cotton collection, which has got a cotton over 10 meters gher of ghagra, a blouse which has got mirror and hand embroidery, and a hand block ajrak dupatta with a touch of gold in it. So here is a wide range of colors in the same design. So there's a combination like this, a combination in black and maroon, a combination in maroon and blue. We've got beautiful bandhej, which is like meenakari, raidana bandhej. So this is a fusion created with gajji, a touch of kachi hand embroidery, mirror, and a bandhej dupatta with a Mukesh dots ghagra.
So last minute Rakhis, we have silver Rakhis for you. Knuckle rings છે. This is something new and unique. Even નાનું વસ્તુ બી something unique જ મળશે તમને અહીંયા. These are બધા brooches છે, pendants છે અલગ અલગ. These are leg kadas, nazar battus છે, anklets છે, and these are all hair accessories. પીછવાઈ કલેક્શનમાંથી છે. This is one of the પીછવાઈ કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનની જે કાવ છે એના પરથી આખું કલેક્શન ઇન્સ્પાયર થયેલું છે. આ ચાંદ કલેક્શન છે. Then this is the combination of both your statement earrings here. આ બી ગોલ્ડ પ્લેટેડ અને કુંદનના કામવાળું છે. Then this is regular routine wear stuff. These are watch charms. You can just add this in your watch. It'll look really pretty. Tarnish, anti-tarnish earrings છે. Rose gold plated. એમાં બી બહુ જ બધી designs છે. Then these are statement rings. You see, adding periya, but you don't even need to wear the bangles also.